and welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, a police constable attached to the Kingston Central Division says he's facing victimization because he spoke out against an officer who allegedly broke the law.
As Kirk Wright now reports, the man claims he's being forced to work in less than ideal conditions.
Constable Dwight Campbell, who works at the Kingston Central Police Station, says he's left with no choice but to tell his story about what he describes as victimization in the workplace. He believes he has been targeted because he spoke out about a fellow police constable who was working contrary to the law. He alleges that the constable was seizing motor vehicles without good reason.
His favorite offense is that the plates are obscured. And I'm saying if I can see it clearly, it cannot be that it's obscured. So you need to find another offense, but that one is not made out.
Constable Campbell says the policeman threatened to hurt him in the presence of an inspector.
His exact words were, "Me I go bust you up and go up a CIB, go sit down. This man is carrying a firearm. I am not."
He's a constable, you say, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
He advanced towards me and had to be held by another police officer so that I wouldn't have been harmed. This is what I reported.
He says for the past 6 years, he has been facing victimization in the JCF because of another incident, but says it has escalated since he spoke out about the policeman's inappropriate action against a motorist.
I did nothing wrong. It was seen as an opportunity to create some animosity. I did what the law requires of me when treating with a threat. And then I went to court. It ended in my favor. And I was the one who is transferred to sit in a practical pigsty to work since the earlier part of this year.
Now, Constable Campbell says he was posted to work at a gate outside the main building under unsanitary conditions.
I was pulled into a meeting and told I must work at this section, which is unhealthy. As you can see, there's no electricity, there's sewage water running in front of it, it leaks when it rains, there's no furniture in here, the gate doesn't work, and I am told I must do this duty of handling the public, to include checking for firearms and stuff like that, and I am supposed to be unarmed while I'm doing all of this.
Head of the Kingston Central Police Division, where Constable Campbell is stationed, could not be reached for comment. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.